Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot and coriander soup. It's such a lovely soup and it doesn't require many ingredients. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing I'm going to do is put the carrots and the leeks in my pan. I've got some oil heating up gently in here. I've got a little bit of garlic. As you can see, the leek, I found it in the back of the cupboard, and soups are brilliant for this sort of thing because if you've got any sort of dodgy bits of vegetable, just chop them up. As long as they're reasonably firm, just chuck them in a soup. This is 450 grams of carrot, which I'm now going to put into my pan. This is 1 leek. And I'm just going to put the lid on and let them sweat a bit for about 5 minutes. I'm now going to add a teaspoon of corn flour. Give it a stir around to get all the vegetables coated. It has just over a litre of stock. This has been cooking now for 20 minutes. I'm going to take it off the heat, put it over here, and I've just got to blitz it. I'm going to use my handheld stick blender. I think that's done. It doesn't matter how hard you blitz it, you'll always find one bit of carrot that has not gone through. Test seasoning. That tastes okay. I'm going to add half a tub of sour cream, that's about 150 ml. And then I will check the seasoning again. I've just sprinkled a little bit of fresh coriander on the top to make it look pretty. Let's see what it tastes like. That is lovely. And to think that it was just made out of some old carrots and a leek. That is a really tasty dinner. I'm having it with some homemade bread. I hope you're going to enjoy making it and do have a go. And I'll see you all again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification button. Thank you for watching. Every time. She just licked it. Oh, it'll all be smeared so it'll look like I've had a facelift.
I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It's tired.
Okay.
Do
you want me to start? You want to go home? Well, you can't go home till we've finished.
Just go upstairs.
No. You can't go home. You've got to stay. I'm your boss. I'm going to make you work.
Day 2 of quarantine.